Hey everyone, and this is Anthony from www.computermaximus.com/blog. And I wanted to, most of my blog is about gardening and habitats and composting. But my other hobby, my first hobby, was computers. This bottom one is a server. It has Ubuntu. It operates all my movies that I have stored in VOB format. This top Pentium 4 computer is a DNS server. This is my HTPC for the living room. The computer next to it is a Pentium 4 also, and it is my backup DNS and also my web server. Now the bottom one, this is an X58. It's an i7. Also, this is an X58. It's an i7. This one here, I believe, is a 965 Pentium. I believe, anyway. Okay, I just fired up the HTPC, and it has a remote with it, but I don't know where it's at right now. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to bring up a program, and it's called XBMC, which allows any computer in my house to become an entertainment center. And I have a lot of DVDs backed up on my computer. It's 322 full-length DVDs that's counted on this page. But there are a lot of movies like Star Wars and Star Trek, and like this Blade that has, 3 movies in it, 10 movies in it, whatever. Very nice. Very easy to use. Very easy to use. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn the TV over to my movie server. Let me do this right quick. And here we are. Let me get out of this real quick. And this here is Mythbuntu. I chose Mythbuntu because I actually have a TV card in there which records my TV stations, which allows me to broadcast live TV shows to other rooms. And it's called a MythTV front end. Not only does it house all my movies and DVDs, it also is a center to allow me to control my TV tuner from any room in the house. And I can use the keyboard to come down, and I can watch live TV. Yes, this is Linux. I have no idea what channel this is. Let me get to a channel where I know it will come in. There we go, and there we have. I'm sorry for the reflection of the light in the living room. but there you go. It's broadcasting live TV. Okay, I'm going to switch it back over to my other computer, my HTPC, because I want to show you something. This what allows me to record any program. There it is. All this is an Internet Explorer shortcut with MythTV as the address. And what it is, it gives me a guide to where I can click anything on this guide at any time and schedule to record it. It might take a few minutes. There we go. And it allows me to record this program only every time, this channel, another channel. But I can do this from any room in the house. Let me get off here. Now I apologize for the lighting in this bedroom, but this is nothing more than a D865 Pearl, a Pentium 4 processor, and as you can tell it's an open board and power supply. This is a PCI graphics card that I ordered about 2 months ago. Yes, they still make these. And they come with S-Video. If I had like a Truman TV, you know, a very old TV, not the high definition types, or I can use an old monitor. So don't throw those old TVs away, and do not throw your old Pentium 4s. Make you a server, it'll broadcast it through the house. And as you can see, I have a wireless receiver that picks up my wireless from the living room. And what we'll do is we'll click on the XBMC in the bedroom here, and this is the opposite end of the house. Go on videos, go on movies, and you will see I'll have the same list of movies. Yes, a Pentium 4 is a slow processor, but for just playing movies, it is fine. Let me pick Avatar. As you can see, it's working, and it should start playing with the same quality as you see in the living room. No stuttering, no nothing. It's the graphic card that's important on the Pentium. Now, a cautionary note about broadcasting your movies wirelessly. And I am going to get out of here right quick. A note on broadcasting movies. High definition 1080p can't hardly be done on a wireless connection. It has to be wired. What I usually do is keep them in VOB format, and I back up my movies, and then I store my movies. I never get rid of my movies. I have to have the original so I don't get in trouble.